Hey guys, welcome back again to another episode of Cook with Mollen. So in today's video, I'm not going to cook, I'm just going to show you what I bought. I bought some new things. So I decided to take you along and show you what I bought. And I hope you'll enjoy this video to the end. So guys, if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. So without further ado, allow me to get started. So guys, the first item that I bought is this hand mixer. So this is one of the items that was in my to-do list this year. Also, is it to-do list or a must-buy list? Anyway, bora mmeelewa. So guys, this hand mixer comes with a stand and a stainless bowl. So the mixer is attachable to the stand, and let me show you how it's going to work. So you attach it like that, and it comes with one pair of whisk and one pair of hooks. You know the use of the whisk, it has so many uses, and the hooks are used for mixing dough. So this is how it works. I'm going to test it. So the shop that I bought this is called Ricky's Home Interiors. They are on Facebook and Instagram as Ricky's Home Interiors, and you can check them out. They have some amazing items for the household. And guys, these things are really affordable. They are not that expensive as you think. They have fair prices. It's perfect. So guys, you can also detach it and use it without the stand, as I'm going to do. So I'm going to show you also how to use it without the stand. So you can either use it with the stand or without. So next I'm going to test the hooks as well and see if they are working. So that is it guys, and this is for the light baking. It's not for heavy baking, it's only for home use. So in case you love baking at home, you can try this hand mixer. And also it comes with the egg separator. I think that's an egg separator. I found it inside the box, so that's a bonus to me guys. So guys, check them out. I've put their details down in my description box, so you can check their page and see what they have. They have some amazing stuff. So guys, let's move on to another item. The second thing that I bought is this 3-in-1 sandwich maker. I know some of you know what is inside. And for those who don't know, let me show you what is inside and how it look like. I also bought this at the same shop that I bought the hand mixer. I bought them at Ricky's Home Interiors, and I'm going to repeat again and again. Ricky's Home Interiors, check them out on Instagram and Facebook. They have some amazing stuff and we love them. So this is how it looks like. It comes with 3 plates. Those 3 plates, it has a sandwich plate, donut plate, the mini donut plates, and the waffle plate. So this is the waffle plate. So you can make waffles, mini donuts, and sandwich. That's why it's called 3-in-1. They also have a 4-in-1. The fourth one is the one with the grill. With the grill plate, but I chose to pick the 3-in-1. So these plates are removable. You can remove them and place them with the other plate. You can attach the other plate very easily. It's easy to remove and also easy to attach, like that. If you want to make waffles, you just attach the waffle plate. If you want to make sandwich, you just attach the sandwich plate. If you want to make mini donuts, you just attach the mini donut plates. It's very easy. So I'm just going to plug it in to see if it's really working. So when it turns red, it means that it's working. So when you are making your waffle or your sandwich, when it's ready, you will know when the light turns, when the green part turns on, you will know that it's ready. It's like the sandwich one, the sandwich maker one, the normal sandwich maker one. The third and the last thing that I bought is this artificial plant. Have been admiring this artificial plant at my friends' houses. So I decided if I got money, I must buy one. So today I bought it, and here it is, guys. So this plant comes with a vase, as you can see, and that thing that is inside the vase, it's sawdust. That's sawdust. Then those things that in the brown bags are those stones, white stones. I don't know how they are called. I forgot the names. Is it pebble stones? Something like that. So I'm gonna show you how to assemble it. So at the bottom of the vase, that white vase, I've put 3 medium stones. The reason why I put those 3 medium stones is to support the plant. Then in the middle, sawdust, that's brown thing is sawdust. And then at the bottom is those stones, those white stones. So the reason why I put those big stones is to support the plant, to avoid movement. Yep. It's very easy to assemble. I thought it was something very difficult, but when I did it, I just found it very easy. So if you want to know the shop that I bought it at the Stage Market. The Stage Market is located along Jogoo Road, next to Nasiko Sacco. If you don't know that place, it's just along Jogoo Road next to Nasiko Sacco. So that is it, guys. It's very firm now. Now I can go and place it at the corner somewhere. And you can visit that market. By the way, guys, they have so many variety of decorations. I went there and I got confused. They really have some nice things, a lot of decorations, different types of decorations, and the prices are very affordable. So visit that place. This artificial plant was going for 4,000 Kenyan shillings only, and it's very big. It's almost my height. It's very big. It's quite big. And I also needed something big for the house. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and make me reach 1,000 subscribers, guys. So guys, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and also you can leave a comment down there. So bye bye.